Happy Science Friday, friends. Today we are going to attempt to make a pasta rocket. Now, I'm outside, so you may hear some background noise. Like that. So, what we're going to use is hydrogen peroxide. We're going to fill this jar about 3/4 of the way up, maybe a little bit less. We'll say about half. Let's do half. Now, I have a stick to stir with, and I have some yeast. And the yeast and the hydrogen peroxide are going to react and create oxygen bubbles, lots and lots of bubbles. When they create the bubbles, we'll put this lid on top, and you see I've drilled a hole in it. And I also have this piece of pasta, and the pasta will sit on top of the hole. The oxygen that is created by the peroxide and the yeast is going to come out of the hole. We won't be able to see it, but when we put the pasta on top, the pasta will burn, and there should be a little flame at the top of the pasta, creating more of a candle than a rocket. Put in some yeast, it'll start to bubble, we'll stir it up, bubbling away, and that in and of itself is a pretty cool experiment. Now we'll put the lid on. Put the pasta on top. And this is an experiment you should only do with an adult nearby. Okay? Lighter. And let's see if we can get it going. Oh, there it goes. Try lighting it one more time. The oxygen coming out is very slow, and there you have it. Can you see that? It is burning the oxygen that is being created by the yeast and peroxide. A pasta rocket, if you will. Happy Science Friday, friends. Goodbye.